What's up, guys? So we have the exhaust plugged in right now. It's kind of makeshift right now with the spoon end one on it, so we're gonna see how loud it is now.
Hey, the clutch is stuck down.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hold it up.
No, just leave it down.
Alright.
Turn it on. All right, now we're gonna crank it. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, first plug. Wow, look, it's on! It's on!
Oh.
Did you turn it off?
You told me to start it off.
Oh, okay, my bad. Alright, now you're good.
Hey, you know what's weird? The speedo went over and then went the other way.
Huh?
Like, I saw this, it went like all the way around and came back to zero.
His speedo went a full climb.
Oh, damn.
It's okay, we'll figure it out
Hey,
later.
we should record that part, put it on your...
Dude, guys,
Yeah, here.
Guys.
I'm just so you can
Guys.
edit into it.
guess who's behind the camera? OG subscribers, no!
La, 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 la.
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's quiet. Well, it's not too loud.
Yeah.
Compared to the other day when I opened the open header, it was loud.
Oh, you guys didn't have this one installed right here?
No, I didn't have the exhaust on.
Oh,
But-
so it's just running, yeah.
Yeah, so if you look underneath, we're running TANs off his EK hatch. It fits, but the exhaust is kind of sitting too far back.
Oh, I
But,
see what you,
yeah, but it's a lot quieter now.
Let's try putting the NVIDIA N1 on here.
You have one?
I took it off last night. Remember?
It's not gonna be on fit.
Wait, what's the end? Yeah.
It's a. Oh, you want to know what's the end?
Is it 2-bolt?
The end? Wait.
Held by 2. Because the NVIDIA N1 on the FA5's held by...
Oh, what the fuck? This fool. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shit. I have...
Hey, look at this spoon end one though.
Damn!
Oh, Miss Bernard, guys.
Oh, man.
Hope you guys know who this is. All the OG subs know who Bernard is.
It's beautiful, man.
I know. I still get videos on your old videos or with you in it. Yeah. Oh, it's not even hitting the LCAs anymore.
What do you mean?
It's not sitting on the LCA, is it? That was very close.
Oh, yeah.
But
Yeah.
when you put the car down, it's gonna go up.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna get that hanger like my hatch and raise it up.
You get this from
Damn. Huh?
Amazon?
Not O'Reilly's.com.
Oh, O'Reilly's. Damn.
Oh, O'Reilly's. Look at this.
Auto parts.
That shit's blown.
Oh, shit.
Like it's leaking. Buddy clubs, look, it's just torn.
It's always this side because my side's like that too.
Really?
Yeah, my FA5.
I guess it's a known thing for a buddy
Yeah.
club.
Bitch, oh shit.
Yeah. So, alright, well, okay, so the K20 upper hose is on with the R6 full size. The lower hose, I cut it too short because before I raised up the motor, I made measurements for when the motor was down. But since we raised up the motor, now the hose is too short, so I have to go get another hose for that. And this is the K20 bracket that we used. So this is normally the bracket I use on the bottom. It's an L. What me and Bernard did is we bent the bracket so it could curve underneath the frame and use the spacers they give you in the bolt. And now the radiator is solid. We only have one side on because you don't really need this.
It's pretty clutch.
Pretty clutch. And we did pick up an Odyssey battery thanks to Tan. We do have the tray for it. I have everybody testing out the shifter because I'm actually beyond amazed by it. I never had a K-series shifter. What do you think? It's short, huh?
Barely moving it, man. What the flying?
There you go.
Alright, let's go in reverse. Bing.
Oh yeah, you can hear that.
Oh, man. Look at this, look. I just go like that. I'm ready at first gear. Second gear. 10 out of 10 would buy. Good
They
job,
don't make this one for your car though. It's no cut. You have to buy the actual hybrid one. But it is a nice shifter, man. I had everybody like test the shifter out.
Holy shit, man.
Dude, you're so short, fool.
Look at that, look. I'm so strong I pushed the clutch in, bro.
Like, weepy, boom. Oh my god. Oh, and all this shit. A lot of people have been asking if any of this is for sale, but believe it or not, I'm picking up another shell tomorrow or on Christmas Day. So stay tuned, pick up another shell, new project. So yeah, we gotta get the wheels and the fenders on though. Oh damn, the vibration is real. So we're bleeding the clutch right now, the clutch line. And Bernard, he's pretending that he's doing something, but he's just holding a bottle.
It's
Alright,
going
hold
in,
it.
It's going in, bro.
Hold. Okay, pump. Yeah, but he's doing really good. Keep an eye on that level, dog. Alright, yeah, keep an eye on that
It's
level.
bubbling, bro.
Yeah. Yo, I miss this dude. Yeah, keep an eye on that level, dude. Alright, hold it. Okay. Hold on a second. My wrench got fucked. We're gonna turn the car on again. Don't have the lower hose. Got the intake on. Some ghetto ass intake, but it works. And the slave or the clutch, whatever, is bled. And I did some kind of wiring. I have to zip tie these. But I have those two from the alternator and the fuse box, or the starter and the fuse box. And I have this ground right here. Ground right there, ground down there. I had to take out the run hard one. It doesn't fit around the terminals, so probably use this for my next project. And then, all right, go in there and see if it primes and then crank it up. You guys ready? Oh, you guys are already here. Oh wait, how long? I don't know.
Forever.
Yeah, I don't think this gauge still works. Make sure it's in neutral. Go ahead.
Wow.
First prime.
Damn, that's a big ass prime.
Alright, crank it, go ahead.
I was like, whoa, that's a new one.
That's a new one.
Oh, that is the exhaust leak. There's a hole. Oh, I forgot there's a hole right there. I didn't plug up the OT sensor. Alright, turn it off.
Overheating.
Oh shoot, I forgot about there's a O2 bung that's not plugged up. No, it's open.
Where is it?
It's up there. You can see it.
Hey, you know how to keep track of your miles? My shit keeps going up. Like the miles?
By itself?
Really?
Yeah. And it kept going backwards.
Okay, something's wrong with the conversion hard, so we have to figure that out.
Work in this car already.
Alright, we'll figure out the conversion harness, but I mean, yeah, it starts.
I don't get that.
I gotta plug up that bung though, it's just so loud. Let me go find a plug real quick. What's going on, guys? So today is the weekend. So I got to head back for the V16, and yeah, it looks fucking brand new. The block is still here. I still have to pull the pistons out, and we're gonna do that in a bit. But we're actually gonna be working on my brother's K-Swap today. It runs, it drives. We just gotta do the head harness and stuff, just small things so you can drive at night and everything. But here's my head though. Yep, so this thing has brand new valve seals, and they did resurface it, and whew, looking brand new. Very cheap to do, it's not really expensive. And then, yeah. And this is the shop where we always take our heads to. They did all my single cam heads and everything. They do a really, really good job. So that's the B16 head. Yesterday we went up north to go pick up stuff. I needed a fuel filter bracket. Luckily, Justin actually picked up a parts car, or a full car, but he needed the motor out of it. And I was able to take off the evap stuff off the Integra, and I could use it on this car. I picked up a new, well, I don't need this. I just took it because he wasn't gonna do anything with it anyways. This is the current one that was in my car, and I got a brand new one because if you guys could see, the little mounting tab was broken already. This is from our brother's car. So I took the one off its Integra, and now it mounts right up and have everything. Wow, this camera sucks at focusing. I have no idea why everybody gets G7Xs. This thing sucks on focusing. The video quality is good though. But yeah, so that's all there. This is the valve cover. They cleaned it. It's a lot better than before. I still gotta take off some of the silicone and all that they used on it. So it's a clean canvas. I could paint this. I might just do wrinkle black, or we'll see what happens. I might send it out to Cooper because he did my old valve cover. So I'll send this over to him, or pick up another B16 valve cover or top bar valve cover and put that on while he does this one. I kind of want to do the same color. Over here, my brother's doing the headlight harness tuck. and we had a huge issue with this K2 thermostat housing leaking through the fittings, but that's fixed now. But now it's leaking from over here. You guys can see the coolant right there. Kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to pull out that hose and then tying all that thing. Well, I think it's this fitting mainly, not this one. This one, and tying that down because yeah, nothing but leaks from the housings, but everything else is solid. And this is how we're doing the halo harness tuck. So I have to clean up on this side. Oh yeah, and he's running my Racing Green TEs. Been a while since I've even done anything. I got some Type C's back here because I have one of the Racing Greens as a spare. And we still have to clean everything down here, the K-Pro. I have to wire up the engine coolant temp sensor. I think it's this wire right here. And this is, I forgot, what does it say right there? The fan switch. So wire that up. And I did mock up the Mugen lip. I had to sand this thing down and take off the badge and paint it. It's not even bolted up. Like, it's still not. Woo. Alright, I guess I'll keep you guys posted. I actually did sell this valve cover. The guy that actually bought my motor, I ended up selling the whole setup to him, the catch can setup with the vibrant catch can and the lines. So that's his now. I just want to answer some questions or comments. Some people are like, why would you buy a motor from HMO? But I was like, HMO is really expensive. Like if we bought this from HMO, this thing would be hella expensive. But this we bought for cheaper than HMO, and it's a well-built motor. And just buying a B16 A2 or a B18 C1 just from HMO is really expensive because of, one, it's in Cali, so when you buy one of the swaps, it's a full like legit swap that they sold you, and you could easily get it borrowed. So it's pretty expensive. This motor, yeah, it needs a lot of work, but it does not hurt to rebuild the motor. And it just really depends on the person that wants how far they want to take it. For me, it's not everybody's, you know, choice to buy all OEM replacement seals, gaskets, and everything. It all depends on who's building your car. So that's how I want to build it. You guys could do what you guys want to build or do, and I'll do what I want to do. And yep, so OEM it is, because one is we love nothing but quality parts on this car, so it doesn't hurt to go full OEM. And trust me guys, this is a bit longer, you know, to do, but it's worth doing it because in the long run, I can just turn the key on, start the car, let it warm up, drive up to LA, drive up to Seattle, wherever I want to go, drive back home, turn off the car, next day turn it back on, and be straight. Nothing to worry about, and don't have to worry about finding E85 anywhere and all that now. So Pumpcast is where it's at. Of course, a reliable street car. Nothing, don't need this shit to be fast. Just want to drive it, enjoy it with my friends, cruise it around, and beat on it here and there. So that's why this rebuild will be good. Took us some goodies from, you know, the old motor. Hopefully this thing lines up. Oh, hell yeah. It is straight. There we go. And I got the spoon spark plug wires. And I actually did pick up a focus, a direct airflow pipe. So it's the Kevlar one that goes from the stock intake arm to the spoon, a little elbow to the OEM airbox. I just got it because I just wanted it. I'm just trying to keep it clean still. Yeah, we're gonna put this header back on too after we get everything passing and barred and all that. All right, time to pull out that coolant hose and redo it all. So I'm just gonna pull this off, tying this thing down, and hopefully it should be good. The headlights all work now. Now I have to turn the car and let it sit on, let it sit for a bit so I could see that's leaking still. So we're gonna turn the car down and see if it's leaking still from the thermostat and that. not the engine that's loud, right? It's the muffler, right?
It's the muffler, yeah.
Doesn't seem to be leaking, so it's good. We can actually let it idle now because there's actually coolant in the car. The fuel pressure is a little bit low.
Wait, it works?
I don't know. I think it's broken. Not leaking, so it's good.
windows though.
I know, okay. No leaks. We're good. It smells because I think it's still leaking out of the gaskets, but yeah. Moves. I have to switch out the throttle cable too. It wasn't going because of this. We actually bought a new throttle cable that's the correct one for this, but yeah guys, the K20 moves. Alright, so my brother's gonna paint the fenders tomorrow. Just like a small portion of the fender and put it on. And same with that side, I put his bumper on so it's gonna be complete in the front. And all we have to do now is go underneath the car. I need to adjust the shifter cables a little bit. And we're gonna let this sit and see if it still leaks, but so far right now it is not leaking. Before it was spewing it out. I still do have to wire up the engine coolant temp and do the fan switch on the Honda. And also wire up the fan. The fan's, ooh, shit's hot. The fan's not been wired up yet, but good. And time to disconnect the battery and let it sit and work on this again probably tomorrow. Yeah.